Here's some of my favorite skincare launches from July. Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Every month I post a recap to some of my favorite skincare launches happen that month, and this month there weren't as many, but there were some really hard-hitting ones. Some of these products I've tried, some of these products I'm just concluding my review to, and some of these products I am still trying at the moment or looking to try. Make sure you are following me because I will be posting full reviews to all of these products in the coming weeks. With that being said, let's go ahead and dive into this video. First off, Naturium had a really hard-hitting launch with their lip SPF. I love that they took their phyto-glow formula and put SPF in it. I really felt like this was a lightweight chemical-based sunscreen, and I love having as many lip sunscreen options on the market because they are so hard to come by. Lip sunscreens have either been really bitter tasting, they've been too thick for reapplication. There's been so many reasons why I haven't liked a lot of lip SPF formulas, but I can safely say this Naturium lip balm worked really well for me, was super lightweight, beautifully reapplied, and had a nice light tint to it. If you are looking for that, they also have clear shades to this as well. I feel like it's a good pat on the back to the brand whenever they do a clear lip SPF right, and Naturium nailed it with this formula. I just wrapped up my review to this, but Peach Slices has a new discoloration moisturizer, and if you've seen anything about the serum, you'll know how hard hitting that product was for being so affordable but yet so effective. This moisturizer is no different, and I love it because it complements the serum perfectly, utilizing a gentle chemical exfoliant that I felt like was really effective at treating some hyperpigmentation and dark spots. I spent a little bit more time than usual with this product, but it will be coming out soon because I just wrapped up trying out this product and it is so amazing. A really gentle chemical exfoliant. I feel like a lot of times brands don't put chemical exfoliants in their moisturizers, and that's what I feel like makes this such a special formula. Peach Slices also has a new snail eye cream if you are a fan of their snail mucin collection. Now I'm in the middle of trying it right now. At the moment, I'm trying to see if there's any differences between the snail eye cream and the snail cream in general. But if you are a fan of how moisturizing that collection is, I can confirm this eye cream is really moisturizing and leaves a hydrated, dewy finish to the under eye area that kind of promotes a more radiant look to my under eyes, but it's very subtle, nothing too crazy. Just wanted to make you aware of this product. I haven't seen them talking about this a lot, but it is a new launch from them, and if you are a fan of the snail mucin collection from Peach Slices, this is definitely a new addition you may want to check out. I am so iffy to try out Bubble's new lip serums. I was a little bit hit or miss with their lip balm. I felt like it was very nourishing. I did sadly have an issue with the product breaking, but I did repurchase this product and didn't have any issue with it. This lip serum, from what I've seen creators talking about, is very lightweight. They use some pretty standard hydrating ingredients in it, nothing too special. When I see a lip serum, it makes me think it's not going to be as moisturizing as I would like a lip product to be, just because I typically prefer more balm style texture products, and this lip serum is kind of seeming like a lip oil. Usually you get those for the tint. This has a tinted and an untinted shade. The tints are not showing up very heavy. I'm still wanting to try this because anytime Bubble drops anything, I want to give it a chance. They've released so many hard-hitting formulas, but this one, I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to try it out and see. A huge day for Korean skincare lovers because Beauty of Joseon is now available at Sephora, and they're also launching a new Dae Sun Shield. This is a new lighter weight version of an American chemical-based sunscreen from Beauty of Joseon, at least from what they are claiming. I'm really excited because their Relief Sun is one of my favorite Korean formulas. Obviously, they're not going to be able to replicate that because it is utilizing American chemical-based filters, but still, I want to try it out, see how it performs, see what it does for my skin, and see how it lives up to some of my favorite Korean sunscreens. Still unsure monitor the availability of Korean sunscreens. There are various things going on right now with potential price increases and also accessibility on imports from Korea. And so I always am looking for another American chemical-based option, and this is looking to be a rather affordable formula. So I still want to see how this product feels, how it performs, and I'm really interested because Beauty of Joseon makes one of my favorite sunscreens. First Aid Beauty has a new acne collection that looks very lackluster from what I have seen so far, all except for the acne treating mist. They have a new moisturizer and some new toner pads that I'm really not interested in trying from the ingredient list, at least. What they're calling out ingredient list wise versus the price point is just not doing it for me. Their acne treating mist looks to be simple in the best way, utilizing salicylic acid, some oil balancing ingredients, zinc PCA, and great skin barrier supporting ingredients along with the salicylic acid. Really simple formula, but I feel like that is what makes this so unique. A lot of times brands, when they put acne fighting on a label, they will overcomplicate it, and sometimes people need a more simple approach because you're just wanting to treat it with that ingredient or just a few simple standout ingredients that work well for your skin. This opens the door for a more simple approach to that, and I do want to try this to see how it works not only on my body but also on my face. Fenty Skin has a new Dew and Plump Hydrating Glow Serum that looks to combine some really light yet nourishing hydrating ingredients. Anytime I see a hydrating moisturizer or serum like this, it really excites me as someone with acne prone skin. They do claim this is non-comedogenic. I don't really believe in that terminology because everyone's acne is different. Testing done behind non-comedogenicity is not really foolproof, so just take that into consideration. But I've looked over the ingredients and they all look to work well for my skin. It is a little bit more pricey, but I am excited to see how this product performs because Fenty Skin has done their hydrating lip products right. They've done some hydrating steps right in the past. This is seeming like a good option. I'm really excited to dive into it and see how it performs for my skin. These aren't necessarily new releases, but I did want to bring up that Dieux has new mini moisturizers that they have released either for travel or if you're just wanting to try out the moisturizer before committing to the full size. I love that Dieux is committed to as little environmental impact as possible, utilizing 100% recycled aluminum in all of their packaging when they can. They've managed to make samples. Now they've managed to make mini sizes. Their Air Angel and their Instant Angel moisturizers are both some holy grails for different reasons. Their Air Angel is more for my oilier days in the summer, while their Instant Angel is better for nights and also when my skin is really dry in the winter. Glad that they now have these mini sizes that you can purchase before committing to the full size of these products. Wrapping up this list, Skin 1004 has a new hydrating Cica cleansing milk, which looks to be a really gentle cleanser. Their Hyla Cica line has been a favorite for my acne prone skin, specifically in the summer and when I am more oily. So I'm really excited to see this new formula, see how a new cleanser performs from them. I don't think they have a cleanser from this line unless I'm mistaken. So I'm really excited to see how this new formula performs. That does it for skincare launches that I gathered up for this month, but let me know if I missed any and let me know which of these products you're most excited for. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.